Hello, this is Game of Chinese Traditional Mid-Autumn Festival is coming soon, and we wish you all the best in Perlove, and we hope we can fight COVID together.
Hello, this is Mehdi. Wish all the people at Perlove the best. We hope that together we will fight the COVID and get back our peaceful world.
大家好，我是胡江，我代表团队祝贺中秋节快乐。
This is Rizana.
And this is Soru.
We wish you all the best in Perlove and hope we can fight together in this difficult situation of COVID. Thank you and all the best.
Hello guys, I am Anthony Barrios. I hope you guys in Perlove keep safe and let's fight against COVID-19 and good luck to you.
Я из Украины, меня зовут Сергей. Я клиент и хороший друг Чана. Я желаю счастливого праздника середины осени и праздника Луны, воссоединения семей, крепкого здоровья и хорошего настроения на каждый день.
Желаю компании Perlove Medical быстрого и масштабного развития.
愿你的每份努力都有成果。
Hello Perlove family, I'm very tired. Today we have congratulated your festival, Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. May the Ramadan bring you a happy family and a successful future.
For the Moon Festival, let me to wish you all the best for you, for your family, and for all members of your company Perlove. Happy Moon Day.
Hi, I am Doctor from Dubai. Midterm festivals is coming soon, and all friends, all Chinese friends, happy.
Bonjour, c'est Monsieur Mbaye du Sénégal. La fête mi-automne arrive et c'est un grand plaisir pour tous les amis chinois. Je vous souhaite une excellente fête. Merci.
Bonjour, je suis Omar Ndioum. C'est un grand plaisir de rencontrer Perlove. La fête de mi-automne arrive bientôt et je souhaite à l'ensemble des personnels de la société et à la communauté chinoise de bonnes vacances. Merci beaucoup.
Wishing our Perlove family a blessed Mid-Autumn Festival and a long life to enjoy the graceful full moon and stars.
Welcome from Ghana and John from Kenya, and I wish you a Mid-Autumn Festival. Thank you.
Happy Mid-Autumn Festival for all my Perlove friends. Thank you very much for your support in Kenya. Cheers and bravo.
Hello everyone in Perlove Medical. This is Arno. We wish everyone in Perlove Medical an happy Mid-Autumn Festival and an exciting national holiday in a few days to come. Thank you.
Hello there. This is Jean-Claude from Rwanda. Take this moment to wish you guys a happy traditional festival.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Moses. So dear Perlove friends, happy Mid-Autumn Day in advance. Sheshe.
Dear Belle, dear friends from Perlove, I wish you a happy Mid-Autumn Festival and a lot of delicious moon cakes.
Muchos saludos para el pueblo de la República Popular de China, para la empresa Perlove por su gran desempeño en invención y nueva tecnología. Desde Colombia le saluda el doctor Jorge Perea, urólogo.
Hello Perlove. Tian, my name is David Santiago. I am from Colombia. Wish you all have good health and wish Perlove Medical is getting better and stronger. Thank you, Perlove.
Hello, Perlove team. My name is Mario Serrato from Honduras. Wish you all have a good health and wish Perlove Medical is getting better and stronger.
Hello, Perlove team. My name is Serge Denarain. I wish your team great success and all the best. Thank you.
Hola, equipo Perlove. Mi nombre es Emilio. Soy de Guatemala. Sé que se acerca su festividad tradicional, el Festival de Medio Otoño. Permítame enviarle mis mejores saludos a usted y a toda su familia. Deseo que todos tengan buena salud y deseo que Perlove Medical esté mejorando y fortaleciéndose. Hasta la vista.
Perlove, happy Mid-Autumn Festival, wishing you a happy and bright future. This is from Gampe Technologies in Zambia.